Make new friends, but keep the old one in silver and the other gold.
A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend.
You have one hand, I have the other. Put them together and we have each other.
You help me and I help you, and together we will see through.
Very good.
White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk every slow. White sheep, where do you go?
Very nice.
Mice. I think mice are very nice. Their tails are long, their faces are small. They don't have any skins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night, but I think mice are very nice.
I heard the Mrs. and Mr. Mouse daughter is very beautiful.
She's the most beautiful girl in the world.
Is it true that every mouse on earth wants to marry her?
Yes, it
It's sad her parents don't like any of them.
is.
Who will we marry your daughter? We don't like anybody, nobody is good for her.
That's right. One mouse has got a large tail. Another one doesn't have teeth. Another one is too fat. We cannot let her marry any of them. They're so ugly.
She must marry the most powerful in the world.
The most powerful is the sun.
Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun.
We have a beautiful daughter. She is prettiest girl in the world, and you are the most powerful. You deserve her.
We want you to marry her. I'm not the most powerful. The most powerful is the cloud.
The cloud?
Yes, the cloud. The cloud covers me. Hey, cloud! We have seen you cry a lot of times. Do you cry because you feel alone? No, I cry so that plants can grow.
You are the most powerful, and you deserve to marry your daughter.
She's the most beautiful girl in the world. No, I'm not the most powerful. The most powerful is the wind.
The wind?
Yes, the wind blows me. Listen, here it comes. Oh, it's pushing me. Ah! Mr. Wind, Mr. Wind, stop! What do you want? I'm in a hurry. Would you like to marry the most beautiful girl in the world?
You are the most powerful. You deserve her.
I'm not the most powerful. The most powerful is the wall.
The wall?
Yes, the wall don't let me through. We have to talk to the wall. Yes, we have to. Mr. Wall, Mr. Wall.
He doesn't hear you. He is old and deaf.
Mr. Wall, Mr. Wall. What? Would you like the most beautiful girl in the world? That I'm wrong. I'm too old.
No. Would like to marry your daughter?
Who, me? Why? Because you're the most powerful. The most powerful, ha ha ha, I'm full of holes. The most powerful is the mouse. Who made them?
The mouse?
You are the parents of the most beautiful girl in the world. I want to marry her. We gonna be in a love for a very long time. Oh, but where are you going to live? In this old wall. I've been building a house with many rooms. It have a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen.
Yes,
It's
yes.
very comfortable.
Yes, yes, you will marry because you're the most powerful. The most powerful than the sun, the cloud, the wind, and the wall.
We wish you.
We wish you the best.
We wish you the best.
Last summer we went to the mountains, and then we took the bus to Rome. Last summer to Paris, and then we cycled all the way home. Now it's in winter, the sky is cold and gray, but I remember last summer I had fun every day. Last summer we listened to music